For our everyday work, we move a lot with the full camera setup, so a good camera backpack is always a welcoming addition. We recently had the opportunity to test out Summit Creative's latest Tenzing 40-liter camera backpack. In today's video, we'll talk about this backpack and share our experience with you guys. Summit Creative's body has an aluminum alloy frame that supports the backpack, ensuring it stays safe and balanced. The back pad, made of EVA, is comfortable and breathable. The adjustable shoulder straps, chest straps, and waist belts work together to reduce load-bearing strength during prolonged outdoor excursions. We have found that this backpack is not only functional, but also comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. One of the standout features of this backpack is its layered design. The storage of the photographic equipment, notebooks, and tablets adopts a rear-opening anti-theft design, providing us with a safe and secure way to store gear. The upper layer is perfect for clothes and other supplies, while the lower layer is designed specifically for cameras and lenses. The backpack also has dedicated storage space for up to 16-inch laptops or iPads, which is a great feature for photographers who also need to carry their laptops or tablets with them. While carrying a laptop and everything, we felt the bag could distribute weight proportionally. That's impressive. Summit Creative Backpack has the ability to switch between storage spaces. The equipment and item storage space can be freely changed according to our needs, or the partitions can be completely disassembled and used as an outdoor leisure backpack. We've removed every partition and positioned those according to our gears without hassle. It also has many outdoor sports-specific functions, such as a removable helmet holder, ski straps, and many more. The backpack is also designed to be durable, with waterproof zippers and buckles, as well as high-grade 420D coated material that is anti-scratch, waterproof, and dustproof. The backpack has an opening on the left side for easy access to the camera, which is a great feature for photographers like us who need to be able to access their cameras quickly. The backpack also has a rich suspension system, with many suspension connection points and straps on the front, side, and bottom of the bag, which can carry tripods, snowboards, trekking poles, helmets, etc. The versatile removable belt proved to be useful as well. On the right, you can attach a tripod, camera release clip, lens accessory bag, etc., while the left pocket is suitable for holding a cell phone, lens cap, and other essentials. Whether you are a professional photographer or an active hiker, a camera backpack is a game changer for your setup. We were really impressed with the design and functionality of the Summit Creative Tenzing backpack. It is well designed for photographers and outdoor enthusiasts and provides plenty of storage space for your gear. The backpack is also durable and has many great features that make it easy to use and carry. We recommend this Summit Creative backpack to anyone looking for a top-notch professional camera backpack. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.